So I had a tummy tuck, an extended tummy tuck, a muscle repair, and flank lipo with Dr. Bowen. Yes, he gave me a flat stomach, but what I walked away from, he gave me my life back. He gave me confidence back. I absolutely would choose him again and again and again to do it. Oh, and I have the cutest belly button. The belly button is so cute and so good, you know, and I know a lot of people have problems with their belly buttons. Like not every doctor can do those things. Well, I had a apron belly for almost 26 years. This apron isn't going anywhere. It is not going to suck back in. So I had scheduled 3 consultations, went to the first one, and I could not get out of the place fast enough. I didn't know anything about anything, but I knew what they were trying to sell me was trash. I came and I sat down with him to have the consultation, and really the beginning of it was just so I could see what it would cost. And when they came back with the number, I was like, all day. It was so hard to look at myself. I had put in all of this hard work. I had done all of the right things that I needed to do, and I still hated my body. I wanted to wear cute things, and I could wear cuter things, but that stomach was still just there. So like I said, I came in, I had a consultation with Dr. Bowen, and I felt so at ease right at the beginning. He made me feel heard. He made me feel understood. The best bedside manner, like answered all of my questions. I sat here and talked to him like 2 hours, never once looked at his watch going, oh, like I got another customer I gotta go, another patient I gotta go see, like phenomenal. And I walked out of here knowing that that's what I was going to do. I went straight, signed the papers, and put me down for the day. I deserved it. I deserved to do it. And when he, examined me, he was like, you have done a phenomenal job getting where you are. He's like, there's no more you could do. Like, it is what it is. And I absolutely love my results. I still look at myself and I'm like, this isn't me. This isn't real. Like, I pinch myself like I'm going to wake up from a dream. Like, God, I can't believe I'm finally here. It catches me all of the time because it's just like, I never thought I'd be here again, ever. So I can't say enough about it. I can't say like I said, he listened to me and he made me feel heard and understood, and I would do it again tomorrow. The recovery was amazing. Listened to everything he said to do. I did everything he said to do, and I think that helps at the end of the day as well. Staff has been phenomenal. There's not a single person I've met here that hasn't gone out of their way to be amazingly helpful. They truly want you to be happy with what you're walking around with. And that's not every doctor out here. That's not every plastic surgeon out here. To be able to walk into Bird Boot Camp for the first time and wear a tank and not have to cover up, not have to cover up because I felt so self-conscious about that apron belly. So thankful I chose him.
That's awesome.